guitars, it's usually not planned. It'll be a situation where I walk into a guitar store and they have something that's either too good to pass up, or it's a guitar that's dirt stinking cheap, and there's something I like about it. That's what happened here. I got this Hamer Special Junior because it had a P90 in it, and I don't have any P90 guitars, but the price tag was just so good. When they told me how much it was going to cost, it was like, dude, I can't say no. I just can't. So I played it for a little while. It had really clean frets. Like it or not, the Indonesian factories these days are making really good guitars. The fretwork is exceptionally clean. Tested out the truss rod, worked just fine. Yeah, it's a super solid guitar, and it's so simple. Mahogany body, mahogany neck, rosewood fingerboard, tunematic bridge, single P90, a pair of 500K pots on the inside that are a master volume, master tone, graphite nut, and closed gear tuners. I'm probably going to replace the tuners because they're not great. But, you know, for I think I paid $300 for this guitar, for the price of it, I can dump another $40 into it and not feel bad about it. The P90, if you're not familiar, is such a good sounding pick. If you're a metal guy, you're probably used to playing humbuckers. If you're a blues guy, you're probably used to playing humbuckers or single coils or whatever. But if you're not used to playing P90s, get your hands on one. A P90 is a single coil, but it's not like a true single coil where it's thin and bright and chimey and beautiful. I mean, it is a true single coil. It's only one coil, so therefore it is a single coil. But it's something more than that. In terms of the way it hits your amp, it sends out a bigger signal than your single coil will send out. So your amp's front end is getting hit harder and it's breaking up earlier, kind of like a humbucker would do. But it's still chimey and it still has that real open, organic feel that a single coil has, but with a lot more punch. And I'm no master of the construction of these things. I've never built one. I've never taken one apart. But from what I understand, it's kind of built similar to a humbucker in the sense that it has a bar magnet underneath the pull pieces, and that's like a humbucker. Single coils oftentimes will have magnetized rod that they cut into your pull pieces, so your pull pieces themselves are magnetized. That's not always the case, but often it is. So, anyways, that's how a P90, from what I understand, is built. And like I said, when it hits the front end of an amp, it's just glorious. And you can get so many different tones just from rolling on and off your volume control on your guitar. You can go from really sweet and really soft to really rude and crunchy and bright. Just a great sound. If you've not had an opportunity to try it again, I implore you, try it. The song that you're listening to right now it's just me noodling on my Recto Verb 50 on the pushed side of the clean channel. If you like this demo, I do new content every week. If you could subscribe, I'd appreciate it. If you have any comments, any suggestions, if you want to see me do any particular type of guitar or any type of video, I enjoy doing it. So please let me know. Leave it in the comments or whatever. Again, don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you next week. Take it easy.